Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you've got one of these Samsung AI all-in-one washer-dryer combo kits and you've got an error message on your display, like can't clean the heat exchanger for instance, I'm going to show you guys how to go into the settings and see if you can figure it out yourself. So let's get to it. I accidentally ran a diaper through mine. I'm not going to talk too much because people complain about that, but got an error on your screen. We're going to hit, alright, to start the self-diagnosis test, we're going to go to the settings wheel. We're going to hit the washer button. We're going to scroll all the way down. So make sure that you're not, it's in the middle of, it was in the middle of testing, so we gotta cancel that back out. If you're in the middle of a cycle, you'll also have to cancel that out there. Go back, pause your cycles, go to the settings wheel. I blocked that out because it's got my name on it. Go to washer, go to self-diagnosis, and then haha! Your washer will run a self-diagnosis check to see if there are any problems with it. Start self-diagnosis.
Self-diagnosis function.
Just like this video, I've done this for washing machines. No, not washing machines. I've done this for dishwashers, for the Samsung dishwasher, for the GE dishwasher. It's helped a ton of people out, so I'm hoping that this will help you guys out if you've got a problem with your Samsung AI Bespoke all-in-one washer-dryer combo kit. Anyway, let me know down in the comment section below, did you guys like it? Do you like this washing machine? If you have one, are you having problems with it? Have you had to call in a warranty? So far, my reviews, or comments on my reviews have been positive, where people say they really love it, even after like 6 months of use. I've had mine close to 6 months, and I absolutely love the thing. My one complaint is that it may not dry the best all the time, especially if it's something really heavy and thick, but other than that, it does a really good job, and I really have no complaints. It's actually making quite a bit of noise right now, but it's going through the checking process, so we're going to see what the problem is here in just a few minutes. If you guys get an error code, let me know down in the comment section below what you got, and maybe I'll see if we can't figure out how to fix it together. Now you can see the self-diagnosis check finished.
Oh no!
We're getting error code HC1. So this is definitely an issue to do with the heat exchanger, but if you guys are getting an error code like HC1 right here, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know what you've got going on. Let's see if we can fix it together, okay? Anyway, guys, this is how you check your Samsung Bespoke AI washer and dryer combo kit. You run a self-diagnosis mode if you are having a problem, or you think you might be having a problem, and it's going to give you an error code. If it doesn't, you're probably okay, but if you are experiencing a problem, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know what error code you have, and let me know what model washing machine or washer dryer, exact model of the unit that you have, so that we can figure it out together. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends, your family, whoever you think that might need it. Hope you guys have a very blessed day. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Take care. Love y'all.